Can you believe it? The summer holiday is almost over! Oh. I know, parents, you guys probably doing a happy dance right now. But before we dive back into school modes, why not make some awesome DIY gifts to thank our little ones for surviving another summer? So today we're gonna use XTool heat press to make some customized t-shirts and keychains. And guess what? We're gonna experiment with different pressure settings to get the perfect results. To make the pattern puffed on your shirt, we're gonna use M1 Ultra crafting machine to blade cut the puffed vinyl and then transfer the pattern on your shirt with heat press machine. Make sure the shinier side facing downwards to the cutting mat. So we're gonna choose blade cut as we use fine point blade. And remember to reflect your pattern horizontally as we put the vinyl upside down. Just press the two buttons together at the same time. Make sure you're at custom preset mode, not ABCD, it's custom preset, and set the temperature to 305 degrees Fahrenheit, and the time will be 50 seconds. Remember to place the Teflon sheet onto the shirt to make the heating more uniform. That's why an adjustable heat press is preferable, as it allows for precise pressure control, not like automatic pressure heat press machines. So after the t-shirt, next we're gonna make acrylic keychains. You can just heat press your children's names or the patterns they want to put on it and to make it more special, more unique. To print your desired pattern, you need to use sublimation ink on sublimation paper. So after the heating press process, you need to use some heavy stuff like dumbbells to press onto acrylic before cooling, as acrylic will shrink and deform during the heating press process. You see, you can also use XTool heat press to make them in batches for your small business. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, we have so many tutorials for you. Why fit in when you were born to stand out? Such a powerful quote, isn't it? Anyway, so if you want to heat press something like a faker or higher, you don't have to use the base. You can just detach the heat smart press and grab the handle and to do it. Well, I hope your kids enjoy your gifts and have a fresh new semester. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.